Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to fill up Taiwan arrival card when you travel to Taiwan. Before we proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like many other countries, Taiwan too has this arrival card system which can be submitted online. So in front of you, I have opened this Ministry of Interior National Immigration Agency, Republic of China, Taiwan. So here you have the link to submit your arrival card and it is free and you can submit up to 3 days, within 3 days before arrival. Okay, now on this page, they have given who can do it and who doesn't have to. So just proceed. Once you determine you really need it, put your email address here, click on send verification code, and then it's gonna go to the next screen. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. All right, guys. So what happens? It sends an alphanumeric code to your email address that you need to put it on that screen just to verify your email. And then it comes to next screen where you see it's lead traveler. Okay. Now, if more than one traveler is traveling, you can always click on add traveler, especially when you travel in a group like a family. So you can upload your passport and then it's gonna pick up a lot of information automatically, but this optional you can type to date of entry. So 3 days in advance, let's say reaching there on this date. English name, which is mandatory. Chinese name is not mandatory. Passport number, be very careful, guys. Nothing should be mismatch. Check your passport for all the details. Oh, expiry date. I'm sorry. Gender, date of birth, nationality. Select your nationality. You can even type country, place of birth, city, place of residence, visa type. For let's say you have a visa, then put the visa type, visa number. I just put a sample, guys. I'm not sure it's gonna. Country, let's say you have an Indian number, phone number, occupation. Let's say you don't have more travelers, so I just go to next. Itinerary, expected mode of entry. I select air. Flight code, departure from Taiwan, departure flight code. Just sample, guys. Date, exit date. Let's say you are leaving on 4th. Purpose of visit, let's say travel leisure. Accommodation, where are you gonna stay? I select hotel. Enter a name of the hotel below, let's say Hotel Alpha. Next, review. Now we have reached the stage 4, review. Check all the details. Any changes you want, you can go back and do. Then once you're ready, select this box and submit. Of course, I'm not gonna do, but you got an idea how you can do this. And then you will get an email and other information where you can show it to the officer once you arrive. And I have also shown you how you can add more than one traveler, like especially when you're traveling as part of group. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.